What is going on YouTube? Corey here with the Tech Couple, and it is 11:33 Friday, November 16th, and I got these in the mail. Sharice is asleep, the kids are asleep, and I'm just so anxious. Whitestone Dome is like the GOAT of tempered glass screen protector, so I'm just gonna rip that right off. Let's jump into it. Alright, so the first thing we do is need to get this phone out of the case. Alright, phone out of the case. Open the contents. Whitestone Dome Glass iPhone XS Max. Tested and proven over 4 million US exports per year. Slim round glass. Full cover with no lifting. Full touch, full cover, full clear. It's got your adhesive curing by UV light for a bubble-free insulation. Yeah, let's get into it. Open our packaging. Got your Whitestone Dome curing glass. So I've got an Anchor power core over here, ready for that. Our glue, instructions, dust removal, tempered glass itself, speaker masking film. Yeah, all right. So it's very important. You probably want to actually read these instructions. Familiarize yourself. Do not install in direct sunlight. Avoid areas with lots of dust. And of course, you have our components. Top tray, bottom tray. Bottom tray, position bridge, all that fun stuff. Alright, let's get this started. So I've saved you some of the headache. I went ahead and got our speaker covers on the speaker, obviously, and then on the lightning, got our absorption pads on the left and right, got the phone and the tempered glass, and we are ready to go ahead, throw on the bridge. Go ahead and open up this guy, colored side first. Colored side's open, place that in there. We'll open up the bottom to let go of the glue. Let that drip for about 30 seconds. All right, so after 30 seconds, we're gonna carefully remove the bridge and avoid spilling any glue. I'm gonna top it back up. Once that's done, we're gonna carefully remove the adhesive from the back of our tempered glass. We're gonna line things up with the bottom. I'm gonna press it down a little bit. Line that to the bottom. And it should fit nicely. Looks like we're just about there. We're gonna let that run for 80 seconds. We got our curing light ready. Going 15 on the top. 15 on the bottom. Get that all plugged up. Get that going for 15 seconds. Alright, 15 seconds at the bottom. Alright, got our absorption pads out. Our top tray off. Our speaker. We're going to wipe this device off with alcohol. Wipe the excess off. Good and clean. And I do 60 seconds at the top, 60 seconds at the bottom. And then we are all done. Granted, I missed, looks like some dust. Get that all cleaned up for you guys. Look, we have a perfectly installed tempered glass. Hopefully those bubbles cure. As you can see, it's flawless. It's edge to edge. And I'll grab my case. And because of those rounded corners, if I grab my extremely tight fitting Rhino shield, snaps in without a problem. So, not too difficult. That is the Whitestone Dome Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone XS. If you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave links down below. Hopefully these user errors do resolve themselves in the next couple of days, but I'll keep you guys posted in the comment section. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'm Corey with the Tech Help, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.